Hello everybody, welcome back to the channels IE Euros with you, showing you how to repair your BMW in this case. In this case we have a 2013 BMW X5 with a N63 engine. The problem that we're having right now is this message over here. As you can see, discharge, this one says increased battery discharge. That's what it says. In this case, this is the way it appears on the menu, but if I go back, it appears like this: increased battery discharge. This affects multiple different BMWs, but the way it's going to appear is going to be different on the screens, because all BMWs from 2008 to right now, there's some kind of different bodies, so you have to make sure that applies to your BMW. In this case, for the E70s, E90s, and the E60s with the newer platforms, you're gonna have this little icon popping up over here, and that will mean that you have an increased battery discharge. And for the F models, you're gonna have the screen right away. So anyway, I wanna tell you what's wrong with this BMW. The problem is then when you have this message coming on your dashboard, this means then your battery is weak, and you need to replace the battery with a new one. That's all it means. In the majority of cases, replacing the battery will fix it, and you have to go to a process to check to check the battery, which I'm going to do a different video for you guys that want to test your battery. So you're gonna have a different video how to check your battery, but in this case I'm going to explain you then it is just the battery. If you replace the battery and the problem is still there, that could be something related to the to other components, electronic components that control the battery. But in this case, battery is, in most of the case, is the solution for this problem. This is pretty much what I'm going to tell you, like the reason why this problem appears. It doesn't affect, in this case, we see, right, if I turn off the engine, right, everything goes off, I take the key off. So it doesn't affect at all in starting and anything. I just put the key back on, like put the ignition on. Right, everything is running normal, nothing. But after a while, the ignition will shut off because the battery voltage just goes weak, and it will just like go to off mode, because it will save energy to start the engine. As you can see now, it went off already. The battery went off. I mean, the ignition switch went off already. So everything went off the dashboard. So I have to turn it off again. See, it doesn't do anything else but only that. But if you want to start the engine, all you can do is like press the switch again and just start it right away, and the engine starts with no problems, because the battery still have power. But the problem is it doesn't have enough voltage where the system is safe to operate. But other than that, it runs fine. So this is all I'm going to explain you today about this problem with this BMW, and this affects many different BMWs, E90s, E60s, E70s, F1s, F2s, F10s, F15s. It doesn't matter, as long as it's 2008 and up, it will have this kind of similar system. So you have questions, please, you can comment on below. If you want us to check your vehicle, you can use the email address on the description below, so we can go around. We are in the Fontana area, IE area, so we are serving people over here. So helpful videos for you guys, so coming soon. So like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.